This is the engine teardown for Polaris 900. I hit a dead stop. So it wouldn't turn over. Bought this thing, broke. Hop off of this, we're down to the pistons. This one here, I don't want to push it much further, but it is actually loose. So I think my wrist pin is obviously broken. Like that. So we'll see where it goes. Excited to get this thing up and running. Got the 900 open. As you can see, there's a lot of damage with the oil pan off. It's going to be fun. Well, here it goes, the initial startup of the 2015 Polaris RZR 900 after the rebuild of the engine. Complete overhaul.